What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: top 100 e-commerce development company in Misguide. Content which receive e-commerce development Misguide. Last best Mrs. Guides e-commerce development firms pay by plus chat schedule quality cost hour rating news referrer $25 and trillions employers of Canada. P2 just founded basic designation digital agencies. This one founded 2013 in 20 employers business designation business service hospital industries. Note project P plus and visit the site getting photographer the designation client square and long cave high look and more closing and receive range and client business client very happy with design and instead we have received many complaints our new site. Everyone is expert about new site with short and level future head P2T needed help section and company. Basic your biggest timeline and subscription can your building component the benefit merchandise project schedule in which make analyze key medias Cannes Medias in digital agency basic Toronto and Canada with office Miss Canada founded 28 or media his teams and design development and e-commerce development media work client business service customer product service health media transmission industries node project now medical happened in service with web design development and online marketing upper development and new sites. Canis Media provide SEO and PPC marketing service in other variant increase such ranking. NAS Media also development booking system and client customer to use. This now media also is changing testing quick in also time I can give them 20 hours notes change the always I don't times our Lemo company visit site opti OTPS schedules 4.7 quality 4.8 cost 4.7 hour rating 15 cache reviews NPS failing refer 4.9 10k dollars plus 10 minus 49 employees Okara and Canada OP-test developer and web developer company basic Torrent Canada office in New York estimate and drones funded in 25 Otis and terms less than 20 session into web development e-commerce development mobile development and AR VR development also to be working with client in the media, health, career, and medical education and real estate industries. Client allied price maps later Tunet Range School Board, New York University, and Filter Bedi Correction. Nobel Project Office made update to digital marketing agency Dropper basic platform Otis to provide new destination coding and recost update site also content customer tracking model sites that allow administrators to track Google Analytics data, page use company, edit models that allow for site administrators to easy change layout and content the site. Really now this stuff develop and more than development shop and work basic. They provide project University of Media and computer recognition. Real now what is the drawing director digital web for you in schedule and web for in e-commerce software development first headquarter Canada. It founded 2005 that 15 employees in terms of its e-commerce development service, mostly small and mid-market clients, the e-commerce retail and government industries. Node project web for web create fee management system portal for league rival company. The client had used third party description to but venture Idaho horse and Trump's postal assistant horse management system improve the postal in all manual process that could use details over cell service level agreements tournament times in over 115% faster than what before. Then postal development director described service travel company visit site G was 5.0 quality 5.0 cost 5.0 our rating with referral e-commerce development company headquarter our Canada the Trump's installation development CMP RAT web development and more. Node project I needed customer software development supported company partner and quit the response state constant improvement development software platform easy fake codes we fucked and company terms experience access postal scheduling 5.6 quality 5.0 our rating web disk installation in e-commerce development company the New York and Toronto Canada had similar terms and first provide e-commerce development and web development. No project solution development application scopes and terms provide. They also backup visitor solution funded and 28 V solution with web mobile development company headquartered Toronto and went to additional office with small staff 5 employees solution mobile app development web development e-commerce development especially small and market client noble section Canada and course your a CD hovers industry node project selection was chat website rated publisher company working with company host designation app and many brand MHV solution website Darpo and friendly packet called easy vacation solution worked we was very good rhythm transmission with bigger went to do around visitor now more first cost and agreement target business development management arts and science digital explained Art and Science Digital Experience Full Service Digital Agency because Ronald Candid Foundation 2010 and this about 13 employees after brought and digital and marketing service option and SEO design development strategy brand expert marketer node project article recognition launched website WordPress the client October Next platform customer face site made it update digital brand the website does and deliver and platform schedule under client the service nearly 40% increase traffic with similar post the website increase the receive complaints this many and CM with digital shift this digital shift web development agree the traffic web development web designing e-commerce service business education industry not profit organization 5 to 10 employees client Nobel project day shift digital recent work helpful and Canada will improvement unique only suggestion to help make site better the excellent work VP of Nation Food Improvement Media Full Service Digital Agency Fullicate Canada with terms and about 15 Sun Advice Nobel Project the requirement professional increase post target e-commerce the work quick drift lessons in meds story editors Dover Digital funded and moral digital local tuners employees provide web development and customer software development increase market met business for advanced advertising business service industries Nobel project more resignation developer shift in search organization food retailer team work and concentrate and trade designation bread rate our confit increase phones and designation mobile devices Sega Media Infot founded digital media software company Basic Torrent and Quick Sage Media Officer a web design development services small terms and few 5 employees Nobel project a banking shift and these media and website and friendly tracking future photo picture recorded cars was suggested media deliver and 4 week this instant terms and into it is home destination ad mix and TrueNet visit the site and quick proof web designation digital marketing Canada basic company in small business like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update thanks for watching